Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet out this beautiful crossbody bag using the slanted shell stitch pattern. These patterns are made of the multiple of 4. We start with 1 single crochet, 2 chains and 3 double crochet which are made in the same stitch. Then skip 3 stitches and repeat the pattern on the 4th stitch. This pattern is easy to create and is suitable for all crochet level, including beginners. Well everyone, now be ready and let's get started. There are some material that you need to have for making this pattern. The materials are yarns, crochet hook, stitch marker, button, pastry needle, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make a slip knot. Then make 53 basic chain. This 53 chain consists of 52 foundation chains and 1 turning up or 1 turning chain. Now make 1 turning chain and make 1 single crochet in each of chain stitches. This is the last chain stitch and this one is the last single crochet for this first row. And this is what it looks like. To make this base, you need to repeat this single crochet pattern as much as 7 rows. I already made the 7 rows and this is what it looks like. Then put a stitch marker on each of these 4 8 stitches. Then make 2 single crochet in each of these 4 8 stitches. It will be easy for you to identify or to recognize the 8 stitch if you put a stitch marker on it. Now let's make 1 single crochet in each of these side stitches. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, take off the stitch marker, this is the first 8 stitch, then make 2 single crochet in this stitch. After that, make 1 single crochet in each of the next stitches. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, keep repeating, 1 single, keep making 1 single crochet in each of the stitches until you arrive at the stitch marker, till you arrive here. This one is the 4th 8 stitch. Take out the stitch marker and make 2 single crochet in it, 1 and 2. Then make 1 more round single crochet, but these ones are the back loop single crochet. So what you need to do is to make 1 single crochet through the back loops only. This is the back loop. The second loop is the back loop, so make one single crochet in each of the back loop. There is now what we call the increased single crochet throughout these stitches, so this means that you need to make one single crochet in each of the stitches to complete this round. Even you arrive at the 8th stitch, you also need to make one single crochet in it. So make one single crochet, one single crochet. You need to keep repeating one single crochet until you arrive at the beginning point. This is the last stitch before the first back loop single crochet. This means that this is the beginning point. So we need to start the main pattern. Firstly, make one single crochet through both loops. Then make chain 2, make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Let's count 3 stitches from the first pattern. 1, 2, 3. Skip these 3 stitches. Then make the second pattern. Start with one single crochet in the next stitch. This is also the fourth stitch from the first patterns. After making the single crochet, make 2 chains and make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 next stitches and make the next patterns on the next stitch. Start with one single crochet, then make 2 chains, 1, 2, make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 stitches and start the new pattern on the 4th stitch from the previous pattern. Repeat this pattern to complete the first row of the main pattern. This is the last main pattern of this first row. I have made one single crochet and I have made 2 chains. Now I'm making 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. After making this last main pattern, you need to make one slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. Slip stitch. Done. Then chain 1, turn the work. Look at these 3 double crochet of the first main pattern. There are 3 stitches on the top of them. 1, 2, 3. Make one slip stitch in each of these 3 stitches. Don't make single crochet, but make a slip stitch in each of these 3 stitches. This is the last slip stitch. Then you will find the chain space. Let me show you. This is the first chain space. The 2 chains we made before making the 3 double crochet. On this chain space, we need to make one single crochet, then 2 chain. After that, make 3 double crochet in the same space or in the chain space. This is 1, this is 2, and 3. Then find the next chain space. This is the next chain space. Make one single crochet in this chain space. We're going to start the second pattern of the second row, 2 chains, then make 3 double crochet in a chain space. Move to the next chain space and repeat the patterns and do the same on the next chain spaces. This is the last one. I have made one single crochet, now I'm turning up 2. Then I'll make 3 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Then make a slip stitch on the top of the first single crochet. This means that we also need to skip these 3 stitches before making the slip stitch. After that, make 1 chain and turn the work. Just like before, make 1 slip stitch in each of these 3 stitches. So with this one, this is the first slip stitch. Move to the second stitch and make the second slip stitch. Then move to the third stitch and make the last slip stitch. Find a chain space and make 1 single crochet in it, followed by chain 2 or make 2 chains. Then make 3 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch in the next chain space and repeat the pattern. Repeat these patterns over and over again. Make several rows until you get the height you desire. Have a look. This is what the pattern looks like. It's so beautiful, isn't it? This is the last pattern of the last row. I have made 1 single crochet, now I'm chaining up 2. Then I'll make 3 double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3. This is the last double crochet. Then slip stitch in the top of the very first double crochet. We also need to skip these 3 stitches before we make the slip stitch. This is the positions where we need to make a slip stitch. It is exactly on the top of the very first double crochet, very first single crochet. I've just reached the length or the height I desire. Now I'm cutting off the yarn and I fasten the yarns. Then I will hide this yarn tail using the tapestry needle. This is the inner side of this bag, and this the other side of this. It looks so gorgeous and so beautiful. I have made the strap hooker separately. It is made of a reversible single crochet. I'll put it in the middle of this bag and I will sew it using the tapestry needle as well. Then I will attach the button in the middle of it, and I will also sew it using the tapestry needles. Okay, they are done. This is what they look like. I also have made a long strap or a strap holder for this bag. This strap holder is made of the advanced Romanian cords. I will provide tutorials on how to make this advanced Romanian cords later. Well everyone, finally this beautiful bag is ready, and I hope you like this pattern. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again on the next video, and have a good day and happy crochet.